Documentary, The Boeing B-29 Superfortress Enola Gay, A Legacy of Power and Controversy. The Boeing B-29 Superfortress, specifically the Enola Gay, is one of the most iconic aircraft in aviation history. It played a pivotal role in World War II and is best known for dropping the first atomic bomb on Hiroshima, Japan. This documentary will delve into the history, design, and technical specifications of the Enola Gay, highlighting its significance in both military aviation and world history. 1. This aircraft was designed and built by the B-29 Superfortress, including the Enola Gay, was designed and built by Boeing Aircraft Company. Boeing, a major American aerospace manufacturer, was responsible for the design and production of this advanced bomber during World War II. The B-29 was one of the most sophisticated aircraft of its time, featuring pressurized cabins, remote-controlled machine gun turrets, and advanced avionics. 2. When was the aircraft built and how long was it in production? The B-29 Superfortress was built starting in 1943, with production continuing until 1946. A total of 3,970 units were produced during this time. The Enola Gay itself was built in 1944 at the Glen L. Martin Aircraft Plant in Omaha, Nebraska, under a subcontract from Boeing. The production of the B-29 was a massive undertaking, involving multiple factories and a significant workforce. 3. The date and year of the first flight. The first flight of the B-29 Superfortress took place on September 21, 1942. This marked the beginning of a new era in strategic bombing, with the B-29 being the first bomber capable of delivering nuclear weapons. The Enola Gay, in particular, had its first flight on May 18, 1945. It was later modified for its specific mission to drop the atomic bomb. 4. What was the sole purpose that this aircraft was originally designed? The B-29 Superfortress was originally designed as a long-range heavy bomber. Its primary purpose was to carry large payloads of bombs over vast distances, particularly targeting enemy industrial and military centers. The aircraft was equipped with advanced technology to allow high-altitude precision bombing, which was crucial for its intended role in strategic bombing campaigns. The Enola Gay, however, had a more specific and historic purpose. It was specially modified and selected to carry out the first atomic bombing mission in history, marking a turning point in warfare and global politics. 5. Country of origin? What country was it based primarily? The B-29 Superfortress is of American origin, designed and built in the United States. The Enola Gay was primarily based in the United States during its preparation for the atomic bombing mission. However, it was stationed on Tinian Island in the Pacific Ocean as part of the 509th Composite Group during the final stages of World War II. 6. In addition to its original factory, the plane has seen production runs in what other countries? While the B-29 was primarily produced in the United States, there were no production runs of the aircraft in other countries during its original manufacturing period. The majority of B-29s, including the Enola Gay, were built at facilities in Wichita, Kansas, Omaha, Nebraska, Marietta, Georgia, and Renton, Washington. After World War II, some B-29s were given to the Soviet Union, where they were reverse-engineered to produce the Tupolev Tu-4, a near-identical copy of the B-29. 7. Aircraft specifications, power, speed, and performance. The B-29 Superfortress was one of the most advanced bombers of its time, featuring state-of-the-art technology and impressive performance capabilities. Engines. The B-29 was powered by four Wright-R 3350-23 duplex Cyclone radial engines. Each engine provided 2,200 horsepower, giving the aircraft a combined total of 8,800 horsepower. Speed. The B-29 had a maximum speed of 365 miles per hour, 587 kilometers per hour, at 30,000 feet. Its cruising speed was approximately 220 to 275 miles per hour, 350 to 443 kilometers per hour, depending on its load and mission profile. Aircraft range. The aircraft had a maximum range of 3,250 miles, 5,230 kilometers, without refueling, making it ideal for long-range bombing missions across the vast expanses of the Pacific Theater. The range could be extended with additional fuel tanks, enabling it to reach targets deep within enemy territory. Armament. The B-29 was equipped with 12.50 caliber M2 Browning machine guns and one 20mm M2 cannon. The guns were controlled by remote-operated turrets, a groundbreaking technology at the time. The Enola Gay, however, was stripped of most of its defensive armament to accommodate the payload for the atomic bomb. Little boy. Payload. The B-29 could carry up to 20,000 pounds, 9,070 kilograms, of bombs, making it one of the most heavily armed bombers of World War II. The Enola Gay carried a single atomic bomb weighing about 9,700 pounds, 4,400 kilograms, for its mission to Hiroshima. Operational efficiency. The B-29's pressurized cabin allowed the crew to operate at high altitudes without the need for oxygen masks, increasing both comfort and operational efficiency. Its advanced radar and navigation systems enabled precision bombing, which was crucial for strategic missions. Conclusion. The Boeing B-29 Superfortress Enola Gay is more than just a piece of military hardware. It is a symbol of both the devastating power of modern warfare and the technological advancements of the 20th century. This aircraft played a pivotal role in ending World War II, but its legacy is also a reminder of the destructive potential of nuclear weapons. Through this documentary, we have explored the history, design, and capabilities of the Enola Gay, shedding light on its place in aviation history and its lasting impact on the world.